Hello, sixth grade students. This is a video lesson, a very short lesson on more basic Spanish greetings or Más Saludos. The first one we are going to talk about is the phrase ¿Cómo estás? This is a very popular phrase and it means how are you? ¿Cómo estás? Next, we're going to get into some ways to answer that question. Estoy bien, I am good, or I am well. Estoy mal. I am bad. Now, this doesn't mean like badly behaved. This just means like you're having a bad day. Más o menos, more or less. You're not good, you're not bad, you're just kind of in the middle. Más or menos. Más means more, menos means less. So, más o menos. Así, así. So, so. Again, not great, not bad, just so, so. Regular. All right. Now we're to another question, and this is E2. Now you may be looking at this word and thinking, Senora group, how is that E2? That's a Y. Why isn't it Y2? Well, because in the Spanish language, when the letter Y is being used as the word and, it is pronounced as E, E2. And this means and you. So I wouldn't just walk up to someone and say, E2, like I do, ¿Cómo te llamas? Or now, ¿Cómo estás? That wouldn't make sense. But E2 is used in this way. So let's say that we are on the street and you walk up to me and you say, oh, hola, ¿Cómo te llamas? And I say, soy Senora Group. Instead of asking you, ¿Cómo te llamas? Which is fine to do, and that's what we've practiced, but to make it a little bit shorter, I could say E2 and you. So now you understand that I'm wanting to know what your name is. You asked me, ¿Cómo te llamas? I answered, and now I'm saying E2. And you, what is your name? It's just a little bit of a shorter way to ask the question that someone just asked you. Gracias is thank you. De nada, you are welcome. And this literally means of nothing. We know that the word nada, we learned that in our last set of notes, means nothing. De means of, so it's of nothing. So it's like you are welcome. It was nothing to help you or do whatever it is I did for you. And our very last term for this section is por favor, which means please. All right, those are just more of your más saludos. You should have been adding those to your notebook as you go. If you need to go back and rewatch this, pause it so that you can get them written down. Make sure you're doing both the English and the Spanish in your notebook, and we will start using these as soon as we are back together. Adios.